Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with another Temu unboxing, unbagging video. And I already opened the bag and there's a bunch of things in here. And I took some things out that go together and now I want to just grab a few other things that might go together okay. What could it be? Well, how about these two things right here? I think these two go together nicely. So, I ordered some pendants off of Temu. And, I know it's just costume jewelry, but I love costume jewelry. I have always loved costume jewelry. In fact, when I got my first gold jewelry, like real gold jewelry, I was sad because I've always liked costume jewelry and mixing and matching and changing my earrings and my stuff. And then once I had real gold, I felt like I had to wear it all the time. So then I was stuck to just wearing what I had. Of course, I'm not rich, so it wasn't a lot. So it would be like the same 3 pairs of earrings that I had and the same 1 necklace. And I prefer something like this. I'm crazy, I know. But look at this beautiful dragonfly patterned pendant. It's a necklace. It comes with a little black chain. Super cute. I wear a lot of black. And look how pretty that is. And I know this is something I can make myself. I have made things like this myself. It's super easy. You just buy the little kits where you could make pendants. I've done it. But look how pretty that was. And for $1.22, I couldn't resist. Super cute. So I saw that one and I got it. But then I also saw this one. So let's see what this one looks like. If it's as pretty as it looks on the screen. I'm just going to cut it open. I can't seem to find where it opens. Usually you can open these and then put them back in and reuse the bag, but I'm just going to cut it. All right, so this one, the pendant and the chain are not on together. But here is the pendant. And I got this one because it reminded me of a giant mood ring with all the different colors. And I used to love my mood ring. It's just cheap jewelry, you guys. It's not anything fancy. But I love this kind of stuff. It makes me happy. So this is a vintage oval glass pendant necklace with colorful ripple design. It was $1.99. And I did not even know that it came with a chain. So this one came with a little silver chain. And these are similar to the chains you could buy at the Dollarama or the dollar store. So nothing spectacular, but you know what? I wasn't even expecting to get one. I thought I was just getting the pendant. So nice bonus. Super cute. I'm going out for supper today. Maybe I'll wear one of these today. I'm not sure because I ordered other stuff too. So here we have this one. And this one. This was $1.99 with the pretty silver chain. And the dragonfly one was $1.22 with the black chain. So let me know in the comments which one you like better. I think they're both really beautiful. Yeah. I was more drawn to the dragonfly pendant when I first saw it, but I love all the colors in this. And that when you turn it, you can see all the colors. I think it's just really pretty. And I look, it goes with my nails nicely too. Super cute. Love these. All right, you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And all of those good things that help as a channel. And in the comments, let me know which one you like better. The dragonfly or the swirly one. All right, guys, take care, stay safe, happy crafting, happy shopping, happy whatever it is you love to do. Bye.